So I have here this Ergonomic propane handheld torch. It's really easy to use. You just have your knob here on the back, twist it. You can hear the propane, pull the handle, and you can hear it coming out. Turn it off, you just twist it back the other way. So if you're working on a job site, you have some projects where you're going to need a handheld torch, this Ergonomic one has worked really well for me. I've also used this for camping to get the bonfires going. Here I'm using a torch to heat up the blade on this utility blade. Just going to use it to trim the plastic on this bumper right here. I really like the grip of the handle. It's a perfect fit. So looking for a handheld propane torch. This one from Ergonomic. It's top notch.